Okay, so this is how to shoot without using filters. So as you can see, I've got absolutely beautiful composition here. We've got some afternoon light coming in across the top here, which is really adding a lot of features to it. And I've composed it in my camera. I've got 100 ISO, I've got f16 understood, and you can see that over this point here, it's bang on. We're not going to lose too much detail with it being overexposed or underexposed. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to focus on this point here, and I'm going to make sure that that bit is really in focus. See that green square? That means it's focused. And I don't want to move my camera now or change the focus, so I'm going to go to the side of my camera. You see here? Click that across the manual, and that will have locked it. And you can see now that my camera now won't try and adjust the focus. All of that red is in focus. The other thing that I've done is I have gone to this info button here, and I've put a 2-second timer on it. That means when I press the shutter, it means that, ooh, look at that light, sorry, just slightly distracted. It means that I won't rattle the camera around, I won't move it when I'm shooting, and I'm going to click, okay, yep. Okay, so ready to shoot, I'm going to shoot, and it's going to shoot for a third of a second. Let's have a look at the result. And there we have. Very nice. Looking at the histogram here, still over on the dark side, not too light. We can pull that back as we're shooting in RAW. So what I've done now is I've put a haze filter onto this. This is a 6-stop, and it's reducing the amount of light that's coming into the lens. You can see now what it's done. That's exactly the same settings as the last video, but I've got so much more leeway now. I can mess around, I can change the f-stop, and I can change the shutter speed. So I'm going to keep it at now f14, but this time I'm going to make it a lot oh, I always go the wrong way, always. So what I've done now is I've got an option of 1.6 seconds. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a shoot now. I haven't changed the focus or anything else, so let's have a look. Shooting. Ding. Oh, noise reduction. Look at the colour of my camera. Let's have a look at this. What you're seeing now is a lot more movement because we've slowed it down. And that's one of the things we're going to be playing around with on my workshop.